In this video, I will tell you about Monopoly Go Noob to Pro. Step number 1, learn the rules. Make sure you have a solid understanding of the basic rules of Monopoly. Familiarize yourself with the gameplay, different properties, various cards, and mechanics of buying, selling, and trading properties. Step number 2, master property equation. One of the key strategy in Monopoly were monopolies, which means owning all the properties of a particular group. Aim to buy properties of the same color early in the game. These monopolies will give you more control over the game and increase your chances of earning higher rents. Number 3, balance your investments. While acquiring monopolies is important, it's all circular to maintain a balance between properties of different color groups. This driver's fiction will provide you with a steady stream of income regardless of the dice rules. Number 4, strategies your property upgrades. Once you have Monopoly, consider upgrading your properties with houses and hotels. Start by building houses evenly across your monopolies to maximize rent and make it difficult for opponents to develop their own monopolies. Number 5, be mindful of trading game. Trading can play a significant role in Monopoly. Assess the potential benefits and risk before entering into any trade. Aim for win-win situations. Both parties can benefit, but don't be afraid to negotiate hard to secure advantageous trades. Number 6, watch your cash flow. Money management is circular in Monopoly. Keep a close eye on your cash flow and make sure you have enough reserves to cover expenses like rent, property upgrades, and potential fines. It's wise to keep a buffer for emergencies or investment opportunities. Number 7, use the equation wisely. If a player declines to buy property landed on it goes up for acquisition, utilize the opportunity to buy properties at lower price. However, be cautious not to overpay. It can hurt your financial position. Number 8, utilize the chance and community chest cards. Chance and community chess cards can significantly impact the game. Read each card carefully and think strategically to make the most of the opportunities they present. They can provide you with advantages like free properties, get out of jail, free cards, unexpected setback, or plan accordingly. Number 9, plan for jail time. Getting sent to jail is a common occurrence in Monopoly. Don't be too hasty to pay bail and get out immediately. Evaluate the board state or opponent's positions and potential benefits staying in jail. Sometimes staying in jail for a few turns can be a strategic move. Stay updated on your opponents. Pay close attention to your opponents' positions, financial, and strategies. This information can help you make informed decisions about trades, property equations, and negotiations. Adjust your plans and based on the current game dynamics. Practice and analyze. The more you play, the more you will understand the intricacies of the game. Reflect your decisions and outcomes after each game to identify areas of improvement and refine your strategies. Remember, Monopoly is a game of strategy, negotiation, and adaptability. With practice and experience, you will develop your own style and techniques to dominate the board and become a Monopoly pro. Good luck.